Alrighty, good morning, Arkansas. This is Assistant Chief Forecaster Kevin back here once again. I'm here to give you guys your morning weather forecast for today here. So I know a lot of folks are going to tune into this morning video because of the fact of what was posted around midnight last night is the marginal risk for much of Arkansas here. Now, I want to stress a couple of things about that marginal risk. First and foremost, no tornado threat. I'm not expecting any sort of big tornado threat for tomorrow here because we don't have all the ingredients needed for a tornado event. This is nothing. This is not going to be anything compared to what Wisconsin was seeing over the last couple of days here. However, there could be some isolated strong to severe storms up there tomorrow. As you guys know, if anything pops off tomorrow, we'll let you guys know about all that. But I am going to go over that here just shortly here. So that being said, here, guys, we don't have nothing going on radar here, so let's go and talk about temperatures real quickly here. And temperatures, it's 8 o'clock in the morning now, are already to 75. Actually, take that back now. We're getting a new read on temperatures at this point here. So temperatures now 79 in Little Rock here. We got 81 in Mena, 79 down there in DeQueen, 79 in Texarkana, 79 in Camden, 75 already in El Dorado, 81 up there in Fayetteville, 77 in Mount Holm, and 79 in Jonesboro, and 79 in Memphis at this current time here. Let's go and talk about heat indexes as well, because heat indexes today are once again going to be a problem. So we're now up into the upper 70s, the low to mid 80s here, upper 80s as up there in northwestern Arkansas already, 85 in Fayetteville at this current point here. So we are going to have heat and humidity for at least another day or so for today. Heat advisory continues through this evening here, and I wouldn't be shocked to see an additional issuance for tomorrow, especially for our folks down there in central and south Arkansas here. But we are expecting the cold front to move through here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom this out and show you guys the cold front here. So we are expecting the cold front to come through as we get towards tomorrow here. There's your cold front up here in the plains here, and that's going to start pushing down into Arkansas as we get towards starting tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and then really on Saturday here, you're going to have those winds coming out of the north and northeast here. With that being said, let's go and talk about the tropics real quickly here. So this is what is now Tropical Depression Fred, and I talked about this on the last couple of days, that Fred was going to have some trouble going over Haiti and the Dominican Republic because of the high mountain range out there. So that has completely taken a toll on Fred now. You can even see on satellite here. I'm going to go ahead and go over to our visible satellite because our infrared is not really picking up on this system at all. So here's the visible satellite imagery with this, guys, and you can see that the mid-level circulation is right here. So it's now over Haiti and the Dominican Republic. It's now just to the north of Cuba here, but you can see the mountain range really took a toll on Fred here, which could mean two things, okay? It could mean that a new area of low pressure could develop to the south, a new area of low pressure may develop here, or actually in this case, that since the area of low pressure is completely exposed now, we can go over to water vapor imagery real quickly here. Let's go to upper level real quick and show you guys what I'm talking about. Your low pressure here, your center of low pressure is completely exposed to that dry air now, which could have killed Fred. So with that being said, we'll have to watch and see over the next couple of days here on what happens with Fred here. Could it redevelop just north of Cuba here and lead to a new area of low pressure, which could develop and move into the eastern Gulf of Mexico here? But right now, it is completely exposed to all that dry air that is in place here. Moving over Haiti and Dominican Republic really took a toll on Fred here. So with that being said, we'll keep you guys updated on that here. Cone of uncertainty still remains. I'm going to zoom this out and show you guys the cone of uncertainty at this point here. So it goes from Jacksonville all the way over to Mobile, Alabama at this point here. Now a lot of folks are asking, is this going to impact Arkansas? Right now, the impacts look to be very, very low. We're going to monitor it because, as I said before, if a new area of low pressure develops to the south or anything like that, that could really hinder on the track here. And I can actually show you guys the forecast models real quickly with this. And some outliers do take it into Arkansas. We got two of them that take it in Arkansas. Majority kind of takes it up to Florida. There's some that actually take it out into the Gulf of Mexico here. So a lot of uncertainty, a lot of questions need to be answered over the next couple of days here. And just behind it, we do have Invest 95L, which, by the way, we are going to be watching as we get towards next week, into next weekend here, because Computer Model Guys is hinting at the possibility that this thing could go into the Gulf of Mexico. Still too early to determine that this is actually going to impact us in Arkansas, but we'll keep you guys updated on that potential here. So, with that being said, let's talk about your weather highlights for today here, guys. Heat advisory for all of Arkansas through this evening. Increased rainfall chances. I know that's like a Christmas present for everyone right now because how dry the ground is at this point. So, increased rainfall chances as we move into the weekend. There is a marginal risk. I went over that. Marginal risk for severe weather for Friday here for North and Central Arkansas. And then your heat relief as we get towards the weekend here. We're also going to be monitoring the progression of what is now tropical depression, Fred, at this point here. So here's your morning regional outlook for today here, guys, and more to say. Sunny skies, hot and humid, high temperatures in the upper 90s here. Some localized areas could see 100 degrees today at this point, but as we get towards tonight, overnight lows in the mid to upper 70s here, near 80 degrees. Dangerous heat indexes are still possible for today. Stay hydrated, stay cool, limit your time outdoors here, guys. So we'll continue to keep you guys updated right here on your source for all things Arkansas weather.